Good morning guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope all of you are having an amazing day wherever you are in the world. Now today you join me in my room. I'm just on my way into Oxford Circus to meet up with one of my very old friends, and then we're going to take some photos, shoot some cinematic stuff, eat because I haven't eaten yet. I'm also going to check out our Christmas fair, get something to eat near Chinatown but not in Chinatown, and yeah, I think that's it really. And the weather today is absolutely atrocious. It's raining, hopefully if you can see. So I'm just gonna put on my raincoat and yeah, get a move on. Right guys, we have made it to London. Here is Mr. Kadeem.
Hey, it's your boy Kadeem. Oh, I interrupted you. My bad.
He does incredible music, and if he wants, I will link it down below so people can go and check out your music.
It's Kadeem, aka Young Thickness, aka Mr. Long Toes. All that.
So we are gonna go to the game just back there, and we're waiting for AJ to come and join us, but he's running a bit late because it's raining. As you can see, it's terrible. This camera is not water sealed. So yeah, we need to go inside. We need to go inside. See you in a bit. In game now. I'm gonna look. Oh hell no, this is Xbox. Fuck that. Xbox. I know it does look like we're in Chinatown, but we're walking through Chinatown to this bakery, and we're probably still gonna be hungry. So then after that, we're gonna go, I think, to the Japanese center and then get something to eat. Sounds like a plan, bro?
Great.
Right guys, so we have, shit, that was close to my face. We have got our food from the bakery just outside Chinatown. Actually no, it was inside Chinatown. Yeah. The other bakery that we're thinking of going to is just back there. I think it's an Indonesian bakery. But first, we're gonna eat this. Yeah, should be good. You excited, bro?
Yeah, I'm really hungry, so yeah.
Same here, bro. I haven't eaten all day, man. Right, guys, so we have got a, what was this? Roasted pork?
Pork bun, yeah.
Roasted pork bun, which is massive. Look at the size of that.
It's the size of my head, but it's not really.
Oh, that's good. I like that. It's alright.
It's quite sweet.
I love the way you're explaining it.
It's
nice.
Very, very sweet. The texture of the pork is very. It's not very. It doesn't have too much fat on it, but it's just right. I feel like if you haven't got too much money, this will fill you.
Yeah, we got like 4 items of food, and it only costs what? £5? So that's not bad.
It's kind of like a brioche for a pork.
So that's your morning snack with your mates. Brilliant.
Good bang for your buck.
Welcome to the Japanese center. We're gonna go and get some ramen, hopefully.
It's good for you, that's the best part.
No, green tea is brilliant for you. We're just talking about tea. We're 2 old men. Yeah, we just finished our ramen. It was absolutely amazing. Full to the brim. We're still waiting for AJ because he's late. Unbelievably, I was not late today, but yeah. Anyway, we're gonna go and get bubble tea in Chinatown, and then we're gonna wait for him. Hopefully he'll join us soon. Seems to be a lot of YouTubers in Chinatown. Do you want to go and show them your moves?
Yeah, sure.
Right guys, we have got our bubble tea. I got passion fruit and green tea, and what did you get?
Mango green tea.
Mango green tea. So refreshing. I absolutely love bubble tea.
Very much needed.
Right guys, I have finally found AJ. He's 3 hours late. 3 hours late.
No, I'm not fucking
3 hours late.
It's not my fault, okay?
Kadeem's back there. He's 3 hours late.
Actually, because of the bloody train, okay?
Blaming it on the underground.
It is the underground.
It's not the TFL's fault. They work extremely hard. They do an incredible job. It's your fault that you didn't wake up on time.
Listen, yeah.
Who went to bed at 6 a.m. in the morning? Who does that?
We've got Santa on the left.
Not me, I don't go to bed at 6 a.m, alright?
Oh my god!
Pikachu!
That's the face of Satan himself. Thank you very much.
Walk that way, then we'll cross back.
Right guys, we're by the River Thames. You can just see there in the background. We're waiting for AJ because he's topping up his oyster. We were going to use the boats, which are, there it is. But it's like £6.50, which is a little bit steep. So we're just going to walk it, taking the beautiful sides of South Bank. And we should be there in 30-ish minutes. Hey, here's AJ.
That seems so staged.
It was a stage, honestly. Right, so we're now going to walk there. It'll only be 30 minutes. Alright guys, we have made it to South Bank. It is starting to get quite dark and a little bit chilly. Kadeem's sitting in this orange thing. That has a lot of good memories for me. Anyway, we're on our way to Tower Bridge now. It should only be 20 minutes before we get there. You alright, Kadeem? What is up guys, we have made it. Hopefully you can hear me. It is really windy. We have made it to Winter Wonderland, which is the final thing that we're doing today. It was added on. Yeah, apologies about earlier. We couldn't shoot at the other Christmas fair because of restrictions and licensing, and we needed, what did we need? Permit, that's what we needed. So we couldn't actually shoot any video there, even though you did see a little bit. Don't tell them I did that. So yeah, now we're going to check out Winter Wonderland, which is just back there. We've got the gang here. Say hello, T. She's new to YouTube. Say hello. Hey, you know there's a lot of guys watching. And then AJ, yeah, you know that. Right, so anyway, we're going to go and have a good time.
I need a good introduction.
Say hello.
Hello.
Okay,
It's
me. Yo, people are thinking you're drunk, bro.
I am drunk.
Right guys, so that is the end of today. We hope you have enjoyed this little Christmas vlog. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. And yeah, remember, surround yourself with awesome people. Yeah. And always be happy and be positive. AJ, you gonna finish it?
Yes.
Go ahead.